Will Robinson here from Robinson's Auto Tools and Time.com. Welcome back. Yes, I'm using my phone because I went to grab the camcorder and it was dead. And I want to bring you guys along on this quick demonstration. I got this 2003 PT Cruiser. Check engine lights on, needs inspection. So I have a little scan tool that was sent to me and I figured, what the heck, let's plug it in and see how it goes. I've been using it for the last couple weeks and I tell you, I'm pretty impressed. Launch contacted me, said they were going to send me this, and I told them, well, I'll not quite do a review, but I'll put it through its course and see if we can use it in some real life demonstration, and that's what we'll be doing today. And I've been using it for the last couple weeks. I tell you, it's been pretty good, quick, easy, painless. But it's the C Reader or the Creator Professional 129e. It's been a pretty handy tool, and touchscreen I really like. Let's take and hook it up to the vehicle and I'll give you a closer demonstration. We'll see what we can do. Got the key on, engine off. (2003) Chrysler PT Cruiser. Yes. We'll let her get in there. Alright, sorry guys, I got a phone call there for a brief moment. So I went in and it just told me, yeah, let me see if I can go back. System selection. I could do a health report, system scan, but I'm going to go right after the PCM. Read default codes. P0551 power steering pressure switch performance. Okay, pretty common problem on these. I'll show you another way to check these once you get underneath the vehicle to show you a pretty good giveaway. We'll go back. We're going to read the data stream. Just out of curiosity, I want to see if we have an option here for the power steering pressure switch. Look at that. Pleasantly surprised. Wow. This thing's got quite a bit to it. Alright. See how it's stuck high? That should be low if it's not running. And it's a normally closed switch and it opens under high pressure. So I only noticed because I've had a few of these apart. So let me just take and I'll sit this here. We'll do a quick demonstration with the scan tool. We're going to have to start it up. See how it's stuck on high? The only time that should be reading high is say if we go turn the wheel all the way to lock. I'll put that thing in a really good spot, didn't I? When you put it to a steering lock, you should see that switch from low to high. Right now it should be reading low. When I do that, it should go to high. However, if it's stuck on high, that means that switch is failed open. And I could test that once it's out of the vehicle. But we'll get underneath there and we'll take a look at the pigtail and everything, and I'll show you how to normally tell it's failed. Now that we got it up on the lift, I want to show you a very common problem on these. And that's that power steering pressure switch located right there on the rack and pinion. I'm going to try to get this light where I get you in a good position. And you'll see when I unplug that harness, the oil will come out. I can already see oil dripping on the line right underneath it. That's a good indication that that switch has failed. I'm gonna get up underneath these things with a pick. Oop. There you go. That's usually what you see on these, and it's a good indication that the problem is indeed that switch. So we're gonna need a 7/8 socket to remove that. Should be able to get on that with a 7/8 socket, just like so. Gonna lose a little bit of fluid here, so be prepared. The new switch has an O-ring on it, so you do not need to put anything else on it. Now remember, it is an O-ring, so just snug it up. Alright, we got that nice and clean. Taking to here, click. Alright, that's about all there is to it. Now we'll go back up top and check it out on the scan data. And we're gonna see how it's acting now that the new switch is in. Pretty handy tool so far. It's doing everything that I would expect it to do and more. It's pretty cool that it gives us some data stream. I mean, it seems like there's quite a bit of stuff in here. I was pleasantly surprised to see that it had the power steering switch. So, hey, right away we're reading low pressure instead of high. So let's start this baby up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this guy up here. We're going to take and we're going to turn the wheel all the way to one side. See how it goes high when it hits the stop. Same thing with the opposing side. Now you know that pressure switch is working. Before she was stuck high and no other responses. So I would say that's a win for this little launch. So there you have it. That was a quick demonstration of this Launch CRP129e. Not only were we able to scan for the code, we were also able to confirm the fix. And to me, guys, that is priceless. It did just as well as one of my high dollar scan tools in this scenario. Look it up. You know, it's relatively inexpensive for what it does compared to some of the stuff that we use in this field. And as you've seen, we not only found a lead using a point of direction to get down there to that pressure switch by scanning for the code, but we were also able to see the problem beforehand and then confirm it after the fix. Says a lot for this tool. Okay, Launch, thanks for sending it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned. I'll see you next time.